Please proceed on stage para sa ating first dance. Ito po, wala muna po tayong mga abala sa ating couple kasi para mapanood po natin ang kanilang first dance. And in the last 2 minutes, you have to prepare your phones kasi may fireworks display po tayo. Alright, as they dance together with, ito na, ang unang sayo ninyo bilang Mr. and Mrs. Amali. Palakpakan po natin with live performance from our violinists. We'll do the countdown and simultaneous with our dance. It's time for our fireworks display. Ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walang bitaw. And ready, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, walang bibitaw, go! Yes! Chris! Let's give her a couple of big round of applause for a very romantic dance with a romantic music from our violinist. Thank you so much, Mr. Ralph Anthony Arsenal. Ang ganda, di ba? Thank you so much to Barako Pyrotechnics and Fireworks. Now it's time for Arnett to sit down for a moment. Ayan. And we're gonna have Neil to stay right here. We're gonna invite your mom. May we have Mami Malu Umali. Where's Mami Malu? Hello po kay Mami Malu. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Kakantayan.
Ano po ang inyong kakantahin, ma'am? Hindi po. Ilang taon na ba si Neil?
29.
29. That's really good for, that's a marrying age, no? And kahit po tayo ay anong edad na, tulad naming mga anak, hindi po nawawala ang pagmamahal at pag-aaruga ng isang ina. And please allow your son to reciprocate that love and respect in a form of dance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Mommy Malu and Neil on their honoring dance. Palapakan.
For all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love from you, I'll be for everything.
And please allow me to share Neil Patrick's message to his mom and dad. Dear Mom and Dad, thank you for everything. Salamat po sa lahat ng support na binigay niyo po sa akin simula nung bata pa po ako hanggang ngayon. I know raising a child like me is very difficult, pero thank you po kasi you still choose to love and raise me. Sobrang salamat po dahil sa mga aral na ibinigay niyo sa akin, lalo na sa mga pagiging mabuting tao at magiging mabuting ama sa aking pamilya. Simula na nagkaroon na po ako ng sariling pamilya, naunawaan ko po lahat ng mga tanong na nasa sa isipan ko dahil nalaman ko po at gusto niyo lang po ay para sa ikabubuti namin. Hanggang ngayon po ay todo pa rin po ang support niya sa akin. Sorry po sa mga bagay na minsan na hindi na natin pinagkakaintindihan. Pero alam ko po na gusto niyo lang po akong tulungan sa bagay na alam ninyo na ikabubuti ko. Pasensya na rin po sa pagiging hard-headed na anak. At salamat po ulit sa lahat-lahat. I love you both. Love, Neil.
Gave me, baby, I don't know that much, but I know this much is true. I was blessed because I was loved by you. You were my strength when I was weak.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our mother and son honoring dance. Palapakan po natin si Mami Malu at ang kanyang anak na si Neil. Neil, you may accompany your mom to her seat and we're gonna invite Arnett and Daddy Arsenio Kalonge, ang ating pong butihing ama ng ating Daddy Arsenio Kalonge. Samahan niyo po inyong anak na si Arnett para damhin ang kanyang pagmamahal para sa inyo. Ladies and gentlemen, the father and daughter honoring dance. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Look at the two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment and each other's face. So much in love, you're alone in this place. like there's nobody else in the world. I was enough for her not long ago. I was her number one, she told you so, and she still means the world to me, just so you know. So be careful when you hold my girl. Time changes everything.
Please allow me also to read Arnett's message to her parents. Dear Mama and Papa, first of all, let me take this chance to thank both of you for taking good care of me. Your unwavering support and endless love have been my greatest blessings. Your guidance and wisdom have shaped me into the woman I am today. I am forever grateful for the sacrifices you have made and the love that you have given to me. Thank you for always being there for me, even when I was a nightmare to deal with. For being my forever Banco de Mama and Banco de Papa when I am in need. Lastly, thank you for accepting Zach and Neil wholeheartedly and unconditionally. Always remember that I will be forever grateful and will always be here whenever you need me. I love you both. Thank you. Love, Net.
And I knew the first time I saw you with her, it was only a matter of time.
Thank you, Daddy Arsenio. Net, chan ka na. Neil, you're gonna have another, not just one, but 2 more rounds of dances. And this time, it's about sharing of blessings to our newlywed couple. We have a modernized way of the prosperity dance. Kung dati po, isinasabit po sa wardrobes or clothing ng mag-asawa. Ngayon po, we have this prosperity love strings. Dito niyo po isasabit ang inyong mga financial blessings or monetary gifts to our newlywed couple. As they dance, with live performance once again from our violinist, it's time for our prosperity dance. Sabi po mga panauhin, meron po tayong